Icrave is a New York-based design firm that's reinventing interior design. While the studio started out designing restaurants and bars, it's now branched into travel and healthcare spaces and is using VR to do so. So you worked on a lot of airports, from Washington, D.C. and Toronto to now Austin and New Orleans. How do you approach designing a space like that?
When we first did our first airport, which was JetBlue Terminal, Terminal 5 at JFK, we were like, what's the problem that we're solving for? And we started to break it down. We're like, you know what? When people travel, they have anxiety. So if we can manage people's anxiety, we can create a new place where people will enjoy being there. So we're like, if we're managing people's anxiety, what if we can allow people to order food from the gate? And New York City has so much food choices. Why not make the airport commensurate to life on New York City streets?
So you are incorporating VR into the way you're designing. What have you learned from that?
We decided that drawing spaces in a gaming engine allows us to sort of really build a space that we can actually move through. So you're essentially in a room that we're building for a hospital right now. So they'll be able to actually program this and they'll be able to train their whole staff. And you can see like all the equipment will be running and everybody will actually know what's going on. They open the facility and everybody's up to speed, which usually takes like 2 months to figure out. You know, architects haven't changed the way they've drawn since like Vitruvius, you know what I mean? It's like literally like we flatten things out, we make this plan, then we elevate it, then we cut sections through it. Well, when we start to use VR, right, it's such an unbelievable awakening of like your ability to really understand how the space is going to work. VR is allowing us really to sort of get in there and protect the essence of the design so that all the other parts can fit into it without jeopardizing what the intent is.